This is the first week of the new Parliament that the committees met. So it's been a very interesting time going to our new committees. For me, that's been the Culture and the Transport Committee, getting to know the members of that committee, of course the new members of our political group as well. And because everything has changed, we've also had to move offices, so it's been hectic, moving boxes around, unpacking and finding our new offices in this new session, this 5-year session of the Parliament. So it's been quite an exciting week and a good week for Gwynfor to have been here. Gwynfor Rowlinson, who's come from Wales on a week to Brussels for work experience in the Parliament. Can you tell us something about yourself? What do you do? Where are you from?
I'm from Bethesda. I'm currently at school doing my A-levels. Yes.
And which subjects?
I'm doing chemistry, history, maths and further maths.
Have you any idea what you want to do in the future yet?
Well, career-wise, not really, but I'm thinking I should go to university and then see what happens.
What about politics?
Maybe not. We'll see.
Has this week put you off, or did you not? Did politics not appeal to you before anyway?
Well, thing is, everyone hates politicians. Sorry to say that, but
it's true.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, what's your impression of your few days here in this huge Parliament
It's
full of politicians?
A very interesting place, diverse place, many languages being spoken. I hear them. And then I like it here, it's nice and it's very big.
It is very big. And you've seen something of Brussels,
yes.
Despite the rain we've had all week. You've had a chance to...
It's an interesting city.
Yes, and you've met some people, I know some other people who come to the Parliament this week from Bridgend, from the Youth Challenge in Bridgend. So
they were nice.
So do you think it's an experience that you would recommend to other young people from Wales?
Yes, if you're interested and want an adventure, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, good. I'm glad you've seen it as an adventure. I think it's a very exciting place to work, and I always encourage young people from Wales, if you'd like to come here and see the Parliament for yourselves, then please get in touch. Thank you, Gwynfor.
Thank you.